So, good evening, everybody. I want to show you how you can activate your Windows 11. Um, Assuming you move from Windows 10 to Windows 11, this is how you can activate your Windows. Assuming you're seeing something like this on your system. So, you go to Windows, you press the Windows button, and then you type Windows PowerShell, and you run as administrator. Okay. So in a PowerShell, once it starts running, you type IRM space HTTPS colon / get.activated.win space / space IEX, then you press enter. So it runs, and once you allow the screen to run the script, so it's going to show you. So it shows something like this, and then you just type 1 that you want to, that is to activate Windows. The system is a bit slow. So it's running, checking internet connection. So what this means is that you should have a stable internet connection before you try this. System is slow, so it's taking some time. If your system is has a high specification, this process will take so long. So it says get schedule task name process is still running. So it says installing generic product key successful. So we have it, and Windows 11 Pro is permanently activated with a digital license. So now let's go back and check if in some cases you may need to restart the system to confirm if the system is activated. Okay, now it shows that the window is active. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you, and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.